What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up an automation on make.com that saves your email attachments to your Google Drive. Let's get started. Here is an example email with an attachment. So this is a tool that tells me about my productivity, and you can see it has an attachment right here. So we are going to add this attachment to a Google Drive folder over here by setting up an automation on make.com. The first thing I'll do is I'll rename my automation. I'll search for email and click on watch email. After creating a connection between your email and make.com, here you'll choose your folder. I'll choose my inbox since my email is on my inbox folder. For the criteria, I'll choose all emails. For the sender email, I'll choose the email that's sending me my email. In this case, it's this email. You can choose to add the recipient's email if you want to, but I'll choose to only add the subject line. Here, you can choose to add a sender email, a recipient email, or a particular subject line to choose a specific email that you like to save the attachment from the email to your Google Drive folder. Now, after filling in my sender email and my subject line, I'll click on OK. Then here, I'll choose where to start. You can choose to start from now or to start from emails after a specific date, or choose from all emails or select the first email. I'm going to choose to start from all emails and click on OK. Then here, since we are saving our email attachment to a Google Drive folder, I'll search for a Google Drive and then upload a file. The same thing that we did over here, we're going to connect our Google Drive to make.com. After creating your connection of your Google Drive and Make, here you'll choose a folder. I'll choose to select from a list, and then here choose a folder location. I'm going to choose files as my location. When we run this module only first, you will see that it sourced our email and our attachment right here, and the attachment is a PDF with this file name right here. On our Google Drive folder, you can choose to map it and choose our file. For the file name, we're going to get our file name on the attachments and click on the file name right here. And then for the data, we are going to click the data right here, then click on OK. To run our scenario once again, here we'll need to choose where to start. Click on all emails and then click on OK. Now when we run our scenario, it will fetch our email and upload it to our Google Drive folder. So now here, when we go back to our Google Drive folder, you will see that our attachment was saved directly to our Google Drive folder. That's how you can save an individual email's attachment to a Google Drive folder. Now, what if you like to save all the emails with attachments and save those attachments to your Google Drive folder? We will add an iterator right here. On tools, I'll click on iterator and then add an iterator right here, and then auto align. If you'd like to filter all the emails with attachments and add those attachments to your Google Drive folder, you will add an iterator right here. And here you will choose, and on this module, you will choose to start from all emails. And then on the iterator here, you will add the attachments. Click on attachment right here and click on OK. After customizing your iterator, we'll set up a filter and name it to emails with attachments. And the condition will be attachment. And our text operator will be greater than, and here we can say 0 and click on OK. Now with our filter set and our iterator set, now we can begin receiving our emails and saving them to our Google Drive folder. So here you can choose where to start. You can choose to start from now, and every single email with an attachment will be passed on our iterator, and the attachment will be uploaded to our Google Drive folder and saved to our Google Drive right here. Since I have not yet received an email with an attachment, I'm going to just choose all and click on OK, and then run my scenario. So you can see that it speaks to one of my emails with an attachment, and the email over here, you can see it had an attachment, and then over here it uploaded the attachment to my Google Drive folder. So you can see the second attachment right here. That's a quick video on how you can save your email attachments straight to your Google Drive folder by setting up this automation on make.com. If you have any automation idea that you'd like for me to set up, just comment down below in the comment section. And if you have an interesting automation, I'll come back on a future video showing you how you can set up the automation. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.